241 Legacy Lakes Way, Aberdeen, North Carolina. This adorable Craftsman Style home is landscaped to perfection, is surrounded by blue-painted, low-maintenance, hardy plank siding, and is an open-concept 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. Located in Legacy Lakes, it sits right across from one of the magnificent fairways of Legacy golf links, within walking distance to the clubhouse, weight room, tennis courts, and massive pool and pool house near the entrance. Let's enter this home and see what all the fuss is about. Walking past the laundry room, you'll see 9-foot ceilings, beautiful farmhouse finishes, and hardwood floors on the main level. This open-concept living space features all stainless appliances in the kitchen, a farmhouse-style sink, and granite countertops. These unique light fixtures light up the bar top for that quick meal. When you stand near it and look into the living room, you'll see a stone fireplace with shiplap finishes in this beautiful, bright living room. Peering the other way, the dining area is wide open with natural lighting and is roomy enough for a table for 8. When you walk from the living room past the front door, you'll pass the half-bath downstairs and then enter the master suite. The windows face the fairway across the street out front. Notice how roomy this is. You will then notice a beautiful barn door as you enter the master bath with garden tub, stand-up shower, and 2-sink master vanity, along with a walk-in closet at the other end. Let's head upstairs to the second floor landing and find the upstairs den, TV room, play area, or bonus room that is roomy and bright. Just down the short hallway from there, the first guest room is large, comfortable, and has its own entrance to the upstairs full bath. That also connects to the upstairs den or bonus room in this Jack and Jill style bathroom. The other bedroom is just as large and features another walk-in closet to finish out the upstairs. Back downstairs, let me show you the entrance to the screened-in back porch, just off the main living area, with a ceiling fan to keep it cool and large enough for a full-size set of outdoor furniture in this bug-free zone. The backyard is between this porch and 2-car garage. Is fenced and ready for children and pets to play safely, while the grown-up humans can monitor them from the indoors or step out and get to know the neighbors across the fence. The rear entry driveway and 2-car garage is deep, roomy, and wide. Yes, even wide enough for vehicles, tool chests, weight sets, plenty of storage, with a pull-down access to the attic above for even larger storage. If all this sounds great to you, you need to schedule a showing for 241 Legacy Lakes Way in Aberdeen, North Carolina. Call to see it before it's gone. To see this property, call Southern Partners and More at 910-236-3030. Southern Partners and More, your key to a happy move.